boys. Welcome back. Day 2. Brand new day. We got this big field. I'm gonna tell you we're gonna line him up real quick again. Got more space. Last time we had a little limited space. Let's go. You wanna line him up?
You ready for this 850 HighLifter versus 570 round 2? I don't know.
Let's go 3, 2, 1, and then go. Alright, you ready?
Go on 1.
Oh yeah, 3, 2, and then go on 1. Or do you want to go on go?
Go on go.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, okay.
Are we just going until whenever?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I might have took off a little bit before you.
Well, I hit the gas, and it's just like it took a second.
Yeah. Sometimes when I hit the gas real hard on this, it just turns off. You trying to race?
Oh, somebody counted down. What? Okay, I'll go 3, 2, 1, and then you go on go. Alright, ready? You ready?
Are you going with us?
Yeah. Let's see if they want to race too. See, but I hit my max speed like halfway. Like I'm already going 53 and I'm maxed out. Like if it was longer, you'd catch up to me in no time.
I started coming up, I had to let off.
You doing it again? I'm cheating, boys, I'm cheating. Oh, taking the weight off, huh? Yeah. I was in 4 too. I was in 4 high, yeah. Were you in 4? I switched it to 4 to try to get an advantage. I think they did that too.
I took off way late, and then you guys were coming into me.